Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through on how to mark all emails as read in Gmail on your PC. Open your web browser and go to Gmail. Ensure you are logged into your account. Once your inbox is opened, locate the small checkbox at the up left corner of your screen. This is the small checkbox. Click on it to select all your messages. Then you click on select all conversations in primary. Click on it. Now all your conversations are selected. Now, beside the checkbox, you can find different kinds of icon displayed here. Click on the message icon. Mark as read. You click on it. Then you click on OK. Then all your emails will be marked as read. That's it, guys. Easy and straightforward. Make sure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.